What if I told you the sun could disappear, and you wouldn't even know for 8 full minutes? Today on Frame Theory, we're running the simulation. The sun vanishes for exactly 1 hour. What happens to Earth, to you, and why the real danger starts after it comes back? The sun is 93 million miles away. Light travels at 186,000 miles per second. Do the math, and it takes sunlight 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. That means if the sun blinked out right now, we'd have 8 minutes of perfect, normal daylight before anything changed. This is called light time delay, and it's the reason this scenario is so terrifying. In space, the sun vanishes. No explosion, no warning. It just stops existing. But on Earth, birds still sing. Your phone still has signal. Traffic moves. For 8 minutes and 20 seconds, every photo you take is of a sun that isn't there anymore. NASA calls these ghost photons, light that left the sun before it vanished, still traveling to us. At T820, the last photon hits. And then? And it's not just light that disappears. Gravity travels at light speed too. So after 8 minutes and 20 seconds, Earth stops orbiting the sun and shoots into deep space at 67,000 miles per hour. Instant global night. Not sunset. Not eclipse. Black. Every camera sensor on Earth drops to 0. The moon disappears, it only reflects sunlight. Stars appear, but they don't help. Within 30 seconds, automated streetlights, car headlights, and phones light up. You look up and see nothing. Temperature at the surface? Still normal. But in the upper atmosphere, it's already dropping. And your breath? In 2 minutes, you'll see it. Without the sun, Earth loses 174 petawatts of energy per second. That's 174 followed by 15 zeros watts. The ground radiates heat into space fast. By minute 30, surface temp drops 10 degrees Celsius globally. 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Lakes start to skin over with ice. Power demand spikes 300% as 8 billion people turn on heaters. Power grids in Canada, Russia, Scandinavia, they fail first. Rolling blackouts cascade. And planes? They're flying blind in sub-zero air that can freeze jet fuel. T45 minutes, minus 15 degrees Celsius globally. 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Crops flash freeze in the field. Wheat, corn, rice, dead. It's now dark, cold, and the grid is down across the northern hemisphere. Satellites begin to fail as their solar panels get nothing. GPS dies. Internet nodes go dark. In hospitals, generators are the only thing keeping life support on. T59 minutes, Earth is minus 20 degrees Celsius. Oceans haven't frozen yet. That takes days. But every liquid water surface is now ice. And then, at T60, the sun reappears. Exactly where it was. Same size, same brightness. Like nothing happened. Light slams into Earth 8 minutes later. But look around, cities are dark. Planes have crashed. Crops are dead. 60 minutes of darkness just ended civilization's food supply for a year. The term is nuclear winter without the nukes. Here's what 1 hour costs. 1. Global famine. 90% of staple crops are dead. 2. Economic collapse. Insurance can't cover sun vanished, so markets freefall. 3. Climate shock. The rapid freeze-thaw cracks roads, bursts pipes, and destabilizes permafrost, releasing methane. Scientists at NOAA estimate 1 hour of no sun equals 2 to 3 years of agricultural recovery minimum. And psychologically? 8 billion people just experienced total darkness. Panic, riots, and religious fallout change society forever. So could the sun actually vanish? No. Physics says matter can't be destroyed. But coronal mass ejections can knock out power for months, and that's real. This simulation shows how fragile we are. 1 hour. That's all it takes. I'm Frame Theory. Comment what we should simulate next. What if the moon exploded? Or what if Earth stopped spinning? Subscribe, because reality is scarier than fiction.